What is up, YouTube? This is Untitled TV, back with more for you to see, and today we're actually going to be talking about some of this Ye merch. The first time we got our eyes on any of the Kanye West Ye merch, May 31st, 2018, when he first performed the Ye album. Now, the 7-track song list was at a listening party in Wyoming, Jackson Hole. For that special occasion, he made special guests, like a whole bunch of different pieces of merch. It ranged from these hoodies to these long sleeve shirts. As I just said, May 31st is when they first were seen, and then we were released for pre-order June 1st. Now, when we saw that this pre-order came out, a whole bunch of people jumped on it, and you know, the website eventually cut off a certain amount of people, which I'm sure is a reason of why there was like a quantity control issue. Now, I say quantity control issue because when I ordered this, it was June 1st. The day that it came out, I had no hesitation. I picked up 2 pieces of hoodies, and when I got that order, you know, I already knew that Kanye West and Yeezy Supply, how they always work is that it gives you like 3-4 weeks for your stuff to be shipped. I'm used to that. Cool. 8 weeks. 8 weeks is how long it took for me to get these hoodies, and I think that that's absolutely ridiculous. It really sucks when you buy something from there, and sometimes when it comes to KanyeWest.com and Yeezy Supply, whenever they sell any merch, I'm somewhat hesitant. You know, at the end of the day, the time goes by and you'll eventually get it, but I think that that's with almost any tour merch and stuff like that. That's just what happens. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this right here. This is actually an exclusive Miami merch pickup. This was actually shown off by Yeezy Mafia. They said that, oh, Kanye West is gonna be having listening parties for the Ye album at different cities and locations, but Miami was one, and I actually had to wait, get this, 6 hours to get this long sleeve t-shirt, and I got one for my girlfriend too, which at the end of the day came out to $120. As you can see right here on the sleeve, it says Miami, and then right there on the front is like a moon with some mountains, kind of symbolizing like the Wyoming kind of style. And on the back it says, I hate being bipolar, it's awesome. Now, the reason why I picked this up was, as I just said, it was an exclusive merch for Miami, so why not take advantage of something that's like not too far from home. The only thing, again, with this merch that sucks is that we wait 5-6 hours for this merch. At this listening party, I wasn't really even looking forward to, because the album came out the week before. And then on top of that, the fact that, you know, it was raining and it was just ridiculous, and the fact that I had to drive for 2 hours down south to go get it, but I got it. Am I impressed by it? Not really. As all of us Kanye West fans, we go crazy over any kind of merch that he drops. As I'm getting older, I'm kind of falling back on that though. Oh, and on top of that, with this shirt, these shirts were still warm as soon as we got them, because they just came off a printing press in Miami. So they didn't have their merch ready. They had it on the spot from this printing site not too far from here, which was kind of crazy. So yeah. All right, next up, we're gonna go ahead and show the Wyoming merch. Now, this right here is very simple. Right there on the front, you can see it says Wyoming, and then right under that is like mountains. And this Wyoming font I thought was super cool. It's kind of like slime. It's kind of like what it reminds me of, or like a Monsters logo. But I thought this was a cool hoodie. And right here on the sleeve, it says Jackson Hole, which is the city that he first premiered Ye. So little detail, and still in that same font. It's kind of like a slime font. And then the last one that I actually picked up, I didn't even wear it yet, was the orange one. The reason why I got the orange one was because I actually saw Kanye West wear it, and I was just like, yo, it's a dope combination of colors. So as you can see right here, same thing, says Wyoming right there on the front, and then under that has mountains with snow on it. And then on the sleeve, once again, it says Jackson Hole. But to continue this video, I actually wanted to promote my merch, which is the Florida merch. It is the same thing as what Kanye West has, but it's my take on it, and it's Florida because I'm proud of where I'm from, Florida. So not only do we have the Florida right here across the front in that slime font, but we also have the beach. And then right here on the left sleeve, we have Jolo2 TV, which if you are proud to rock the Jolo2 TV gang, you will definitely go ahead and pick it up on my website. So everybody go ahead and pick up this merch on Jolo2Supply.com. We now have the black available, and we have the white available, and in following weeks we're gonna have different colorways coming out. So if you guys are excited about that, go ahead and pick it up and support the Jolo2TV vision, gang, and experience. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. Also, be careful, order from KanyeWest.com and Yeezy Supply. Jolo2TV out.